Hey guys, welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this episode, we're making grilled, bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers, Anaheim pepper, imitation crab, and asparagus. Here we have all of our ingredients ready. Our jalapeno peppers and our Anaheim are cut in half and de-seeded. Then we fill them with cream cheese and wrap with one raw slice of bacon, holding it on with a toothpick or two. We do the same thing with our imitation crab flake. Using a half slice of bacon, we give that one wrap around and hold that on by the toothpick as well. Then we repeat the process. Using a little parsley to garnish. Now we're ready for the grill. So first we put our Anaheim on, then our jalapenos, followed by imitation crab and asparagus. Now we're keeping our charcoal as low as we can to reduce flare-ups. If you cannot keep your charcoal low, you can use indirect heat. After 15 minutes or so, you should have a nice golden brown crust. You want to make sure you're moving them around and flipping them often to reduce burning. Now the crab and asparagus should only take 15 to 20 minutes, and the peppers would take about 20 to 30 minutes. Now these are a great addition to any barbecue or party. They've always been a hit for us. It's a must-try recipe, and they're very easy to make. Now please guys, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, let us know what you think in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And until the next one, peace out. Bendy spoon, you know.